Hi, I'm Nasrat, Almay's global makeup artist, and I'm gonna create a date night makeup look for Valentine's Day. I love when skin has a natural looking finish, so the Smart Shade Skin Tone Matching Makeup is perfect for that. And I'm using shade Medium Meets Deep for a little bit of color. Using the Smart Shade Skin Tone Matching Concealer, and it's in shade Straight Up Medium. I'm applying it under my eyes, around my nose, and mostly where I have some imperfections. This is also buildable and leaves that natural finish. A groomed brow is always a good idea. I'm just shading in the areas that are needed for a fuller and defined look. Then I'm setting the brows with the brow styler. I love using the shade Universal Taupe. It's my go-to. Brow styler, I'm using shade Dark Brown to set the brows. The Velvet Foil Cream Shadow in Black Lightning is one of my favorites. I'm applying it to my lash line and using my finger to blend it on the back of my eyelids for that subtle smoky look. Next, I'm using the Gel Smooth Liner Metallics. I love this shade Rouge Awakening. It's a cranberry shade, and I need an eyeliner that's going to last throughout the evening, and this has a 12-hour long wear. Don't worry about making the liner perfect because I'm going to be blending it to create a diffused liner look. Make sure when you're blending, you blend outwards to create that subtle diffused wing. Using the pen eyeliner in black, I'm adding this also close to my lash line and blending it slightly with a brush for a little bit of definition and drama. Going to get flirty with my lashes, so I'll be using the Multi-Benefit Mascara for volume and lengthening as well as defining lashes. I love this mascara because it nourishes my lashes with keratin. I always like to start from the root of my lashes and wiggle upwards. Since it's date night, I'm gonna go for that glow, and I'm giving myself a sun-kissed finish. Adding shade Sun Kiss on my cheekbones, jawline, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, temples, and chin. This also helps with that chiseled look. I'm gonna dust the coral blush on the apples of my cheek for a warming effect. So I'm adding the Make Them Jelly highlight in 24 Karat Dreams to the high points of my cheekbones to catch that candlelight. It also looks great if you add a little bit to your collarbone and to your shoulders. So I couldn't decide between the two lip vibe shades. I'm gonna go ahead and use both, Treat Yourself and Love Yourself. I started by applying the shade Love Yourself, which is a deeper red, all over my lips. I also use the tip of the lipstick to define my lips so that I don't have to use a lip liner. Next, I layered it with Treat Yourself, which is a brighter red, and concentrating this shade more on the center of my lip. It creates some dimension and makes the lips look fuller.
And that's it for this Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it.